Hello, and welcome back to History News. Today we have Chapter 2 review for 2.1. What were the key terms and immediate impact of these peace treaties after World War One? And today we're talking about the peace treaties after the World War One, especially the Treaty of Versailles. After the war ended in 1918, the winning countries met in Paris to decide what should happen to the next. These decisions had a huge impact on Europe and the world. The Big Three. The main leaders at Paris Peace Conference were known as the Big Three. These were Woodrow Wilson from the United States, George Clemenceau from the France, and David Lloyd George from Britain. Each leader had different goals. Wilson wanted to create peace, Clemenceau wanted to punish Germany, and Lloyd George wanted something in between. The Treaty of Versailles was the most important agreement. It placed many harsh terms on Germany. First, Germany had to accept full blame for the war. This was called the War Guilt Clause. Second, Germany had to pay reparations, which was a huge payment in the Allies for the war damage that Germany has caused. Third, Germany lost some of its land. For example, that the Alsace Lorraine was returned to France, and other territories were taken away from Germany as well as their punishment. Fourth, Germany's military was heavily limited. They could only have a small army and no air forces. Also, Germany was not allowed to join Austria, which was called the Anschluss. All of these terms made Germany much weaker. Germany was not only a country affected, other treaties were made for Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Empire. These treaties broke up empires and created new countries in Europe. However, many of the new borders caused problems because different ethnic groups were mixed together. The immediate impact of these treaties was serious, and Germany was angry and humiliated by these countries. Many Germans felt treated unfairly. The new countries made in Europe were unstable, and there were tensions between the different groups. Even some of the winners were not fully satisfied with the results. So, overall, the peace treaties after World War One tried to create peace, but they also caused a few more problems. The harsh terms on Germany and unstable borders in Europe helped create tensions that would later lead to another world war. And that's it for 2.1.